Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block a friend on Discord. So if you want to block one of your friends, then what you guys want to do is go over into friends, go to either online or all, depending if they're online. Here you right click on them or click those three dots. You can remove them from here, but if you right click, you can click on block. And as you guys can see, you can easily just block the account. So I'll block this one. Here I can just click on block, and as you guys can see, the account is blocked. We cannot send messages to a user that is blocked, and that's how you guys can block someone. Of course, you can unblock them right here, but then you will have to add a friend back, as you guys can see, because you won't be able to text them. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.